And I already told my husband, I'm like, maybe for Christmas you can buy me one for me. You know how much money I'm gonna be saving? Look at that purple. I need that epoxy in here soon. Guys, Sarah's powder, her new, what if I want to save her for my laundry? So I think what I'm going to do is put one of my old shirts or one of my husband's old shirt with the powder. And I'm going to check if it stains because I don't want it to stain. And I hope it doesn't stain because all of her powders. Anyway, I bought it and I'm going to test it here soon. And I'll let you guys know if it's safe for laundry. I just hope it is safe because I like saving. If you know me, I like saving my laundry combos. And I like using it for laundry. Okay, here we go. Use it for combos, you're not gonna save. Use it for combos, you're not gonna save. Because you should turn it back to powder. Wait, what are we talking about? Foca, what is the chat talking about? What are they talking about? Fuck, I don't have another phone. Turn the paste back to powder, that would be great. Oh no, we're not doing that today. At least not today. Okay, fuck it. I'm still gonna keep buying it either way. I'm gonna keep buying it because The colors are so bright and pretty. And if I like something, I'm gonna get it. Oh, I'm sad. I can't believe we can't use it. Sure. Ooh. Today's life has been crazy. Like, what is happening? I love how we don't have suds for this combo, so it's easy for me to pour the powder. Look at my nutcracker. He is so darn cute. All right, who's excited for this charisma again? Thank you for the powder. Let's go in with the multiplier. Look at all these Mexican products. Just amazing and beautiful. Just power 4. And let's end it with some Aerial Revita. Oh, you know what? Sarah, am I getting off after this? Yes, my love. I've been here for I don't know how long. But yes, I will be getting off. Okay, sorry. I am going in the step stool because I cannot reach my tripod. Hope you're having... I missed it. Can somebody pin that? Hope you're having a baby? Just kidding. Hope you're having what? Hi, Shy. She said, hope you're... Oh, you're staying hydrated? I am. That was random. I am, love. If I'm breathing hard right now, it's because I'm using a step stool and I'm going up and down to try to read the comments because my tripod is on top of the counter and it's tall. And I don't have another device because my daughter, I don't know where her tablet is. Let's do more power bombs. I need to go put on my gloves now. I'll be back quick.